Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Mr. 300 here, man. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for checking in. Thanks for spending your time with me, man. A little short video, though. Yo, man, I just want to talk about two things that I really didn't know about, like making videos and like recording shit and posting YouTube videos. Like, I just got this camera, man, so this is also just a test of me, you know, like driving around or whatever, seeing if I like holding it while driving, seeing the shots, seeing all that, man, because I'm still within that 14-day return policy period. I'm, you know, I might switch this motherfucker out. Anyway, yeah, man, I'm just trying to see what it is, see if I like it and all that stuff, man. I like it so far. I like it so far, man. It does everything I wanted to do, man. It's like I would do the stuff on the phone or whatever, like, you know, just directly from the iPhone or whatever, and it wouldn't feel like I was really doing something. Like, I mean, it didn't matter because the quality was still decent, but it wasn't the greatest, and I felt like that was it. I felt like if you was a vlogger, like your shit is automatically supposed to look a certain way. Not even a vlogger, just a YouTuber. Like, you know, the type of quality that I was watching, the videos of the stuff that I watched, it was better quality than I had. So I was trying to figure out like what was the difference. And I thought, you know, you look at an iPhone or whatever, it's the same quality, and you know, they say, oh, it's a great camera and this is where I started out at and all this other stuff. And it's like, once I got this camera, man, I can already tell from like the way I'm playing around with it now, it's much easier. Like I feel like I'm doing something like I should be focusing on this. Whereas on the phone, it's like, you know, somebody might call, or I just wasn't in that mode, like that mindset to like really get some stuff out, you know? Like I never scripted my shit. Like I never wrote down video ideas really and like talked about them or whatever. I would just automatically just go straight from the dome. But with this, I want to like, kind of like have a game plan of what I'm gonna talk about, you know? But I didn't do that yet, so this is all just coming straight from the dome. But I just want to talk about two things real quick, man, that I realized once I started recording videos, like, that they exist. First thing, this doesn't count. But if you're a person who, like, you don't really care to be on camera, like you don't really take a lot of pictures, you don't like the way you look on video, you don't like the way you look in pictures, all that stuff, man, like, and you doing all the stuff from a phone, you doing all that stuff from like a cheap ass camera. Like once you get a camera, this is the Canon G7X Mark II. Once you get a camera that's kind of decent, like I didn't even spend that much money for it. Was a lot for me, but I didn't spend a lot of money on this in the world of like making videos. Like, you know, this is, I buy a lens, this isn't a DSLR or DLSR, whatever it is. It's just a regular point and shoot, you know, so straight out the box, man, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I might have changed like the frame rate or whatever, you know, and like a couple other settings and trying to figure out, you know, autofocus and all that stuff, but pretty much it's straight out the box. There's no additional pieces or lenses or anything else that I had to change. I don't even have like a muffler on the little top. You know, like I guess it's called like a dead cat thing or whatever. I just turned the AC off, man, because I want to really get a good quality audio, man. I really want to see what it would be like. Man, I'm over here tripping because I keep seeing like a shadow or something in my car, but it's like, I don't know, it's like, if y'all can, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, once you get a camera that's kind of decent, you feel that like all that stuff goes away. Like the imperfections that you feel that you have when you take pictures, like they're still there, but it's different, you know? It's like you feel, like you can just tell from the quality. I'm not saying like it's super dope or whatever, but I know it looks different than if you just recording, you know, a vlog on your iPhone. It just feels different, and you get like a little, you know, a little arm thing, so you can like stretch it out. You can get the right, you know, the actual distance that you want. And another thing is this has a flip-up screen, so I can actually see myself. That's one of the reasons why I got on sunglasses right now, because I'm looking at myself a lot more than looking at the actual lens. So if I didn't have my glasses on, you guys would see me like not looking at the screen, like not looking directly at the video or whatever. So like the engagement will be a little different. But since I got on the sunglasses, it looked like I'm looking like at the little lens of the camera, but I'm really not. I'm looking at the screen. But yeah, man, if you don't care about like vlog, you don't like the way you look, you don't like the way you sound, you don't like the way any of that stuff, man, get a nice camera and you'll like it. Like you'll automatically switch to like, you know, I kind of like it. I like making memories and like going about my day, and especially if somebody responds to your video that you posted, or like, hey, I like that too, or hey, I do that same thing, or hey, you do that. Man, it's super dope, man. I've already met like some cool ass people who post YouTube videos, man, YouTubers or whatever already, just from the couple of months that I've been doing it and a couple of subscribers that I got, man. So I can only imagine if you get big time where a lot of people know you in the field that you want to be in. Like it's crazy the amount of connections that you can have. I already know. But let's go back to the actual video thing, man. Like the first thing I realized, man, I don't know if I'm gonna put a clip in now of like what I'm talking about, but like when you're recording videos and you have a, like, you know, a good situation, like you're actually out doing stuff, you can split that stuff up and make it seem like you got the best life ever, man. Like, hold on, I think I should insert a clip right now about like playing at Hollywood, because that boy free. I definitely destroyed. Try to see if we can get the inside scoop. Like, you know, just cool shit, so it seems like my whole life is just entertaining or whatever, but it's really not. Like, I'm super chill, man. But you can like edit the videos and manipulate the situation and post a whole bunch of clips together, and it seems like you living a crazy life. Like, damn, this dude always going out, spending money out at the club, out seeing girls, out here driving around. Like, you can see all that, but it's like, you don't have to. Like, you know, I mean, you have to, but it's like, don't let that discourage you, man, because anybody can make that situation. If you're really living that life, you're really living that life, and that's super dope. That's next level type shit. But I'm saying, if you're not, and you feel like you're not making videos because your life is boring or whatever, don't do that. Don't let that discourage you, man, because you can splice together some shit, you can push some shit together, and it don't matter. Like, not everybody even cares about going out, spending a whole bunch of money, going to the club and all that type of shit. Like, some people watch videos just for information or like a personality, you know. But I know the whole goal is to get money and all that type of stuff, man. So eventually you want to be able to upgrade and get to that next level shit. You want to get to that next level life. But I'm saying, don't let that discourage you about like not starting making videos or buying a camera because you feel like you got, like, you know, oh, nobody gonna watch me. Like, no, I mean, nobody might not watch you for months, but eventually you're just gonna like making videos. And then once that meets like people watching you, like you get in the groove of like making videos and you feel like you like them, and then people start watching and commenting on, like, I'm not there yet, but I can already feel like making videos is not a job. Like, I can only imagine how it would be to get paid, and this is like my main thing. Like, just making videos, editing, all that stuff, man. Editing is like the tedious process, but it's kind of fun. It's fun, like reliving stuff and like, oh man, I didn't realize that when it happened, or I didn't realize that when it happened. It's like if you watch a movie like 3 times. Like, the first time you watch a movie, you're gonna get like the gist of it, you're gonna get everything or whatever. But a dope ass movie, you gotta watch it like 2-3 times, man. Just like a dope ass album. Like, there's so many dope albums, man, that I listened to the first time and it's like, man, I ain't really rocking with that. But then like the more you listen to it, it's like, you know. So that's what this is. It's like, the more you do it, the more comfortable you get with it, you know. So whatever type of life you have, whatever situation you have, man, don't let that discourage you. Just do it. Just buy a camera and do it. Just buy a camera and do it. And I guess the other thing, that was only the 2 things, I guess. If you don't like being on camera, if you don't like being on film, man, or you feel weird going out, recording, all that type of stuff, man, just do it, man. Buy your camera and just do it, man, because it changes. The more you do it, you just feel more comfortable with it, you know. And especially if you have a camera where you can see yourself, I think that was a big factor, not being able to see myself. Because then, you know, I did it on the, you know, I've done it on the iPhone before. I think I did it on the GoPro. You can't really, like, when you like really record, it's not as convenient to like switch around and see yourself and do all that type of stuff. But when you got a camera that really got a little bit of power and a couple of features, it's so much easier just to point and shoot and drive and talk and, you know, and just have fun with it, man. If I post this video and nobody listens to it, nobody watches it, I wouldn't even care, because I watch the video and be like, damn. There we go. I think that's better. Is that better? I don't know. I think that's better. I don't know. We're gonna see, man. But just now I'm dark, I think, right? A little bit. I guess it depends on where. I don't know, man. See, I gotta play around with this camera a lot more. I gotta get way more like an understanding of this, man. But pretty much this whole video is just about like, man, just do it. Just, you don't know what's gonna happen. You can post a video, you can get friends, you can get a job, you can get an experience, you can get a hookup somewhere, you can get just a hobby that you enjoy, you know. Like, don't let anything that you got in your life, don't let any of those excuses that you got in your mind right now, unless it's like money and you got to get more money or whatever, because you can't just go in there and steal it. But if it's anything else, man, it's just in your mind. Don't let that stop you from like making videos and like just doing something dope. Because if you got an audience, you can do whatever you want. Like, it don't matter what field you going into, unless you're doing something like, you know, you're a coroner or, you know, something with the government or something like that. If you're trying to do anything for yourself, if you're trying to be an entrepreneur, you need an audience. You need people to rock with you. So the more videos you post, the more people watch you. Even if they don't subscribe to you, man, your face is gonna get familiar. And once you put some other stuff out there that's you know, sellable or marketable or anything like that, man, people gonna rock with you because they kind of feel you, you know? Like, the more you talk on video, the more people are gonna be able to see your personality. Like, if you're talking on camera, you're not yourself, people are gonna automatically see it. And it's like, it's hard to replicate that across multiple videos for a year straight, 100 videos straight, 200 videos straight. If you just got like a fake personality, people gonna see it and they're gonna pick up on it, you know? And I don't even think you can do that. I mean, I think eventually, unless you some top level or just different type of person, eventually, man, yourself is gonna come out. Like, your personality is just gonna come out, you know? Especially if you vlogging every day, man, because it's gonna be some days you wake up and it's like you're not gonna feel good, you're not gonna wanna talk, you're gonna be around your homies, you gotta talk real, you're going to your mom's house, you gotta talk how you talk around with your mom, you gotta go to work, you just came from work, you at the gym, you tired, you've been having a couple of drinks, so you're a little inebriate. Like, all that type of stuff factor in when you like recording yourself every day. So people gonna pick out the little pieces of your real personality, man, and put it together. So if you just start out from the beginning and just be yourself, people gonna catch on, man, and they're gonna rock with you just to rock with you. So anyway, man, this is just a little quick video, man, just me testing out the camera. I didn't change the settings like 10 times since I've been driving, so that's why I keep doing like this, because I keep like playing around with the settings, whatever, man, just to really see what's going on and see what I like. But hope you guys having a great day, man. I hope you guys doing everything that you should, anything that's right, everything that you want to do in life, man. I hope you're doing it, or at least taking the first step towards it. That's it, man. In Vegas, it's hella hot. Watch my next video, man. I got a whole bunch of content, man. I got a lot of content that I've recorded over the last couple of days of the Las Vegas Strip. I went to a Lexus dealership. I got a lot of content. Hold on, let me switch over here. I got a lot of content that I just haven't edited yet. I've been editing, but it's like, I don't know how to put it together. I don't know if I'm gonna make it like one video or just make it 30, 40 minutes or whatever, or if I'm gonna piece it up into like different sections, you know, or just cut out a whole bunch of stuff that I don't need and just post a video with just everything that I think was kind of better than the rest. But I got a lot of content that I kind of like, so I don't want to just lose it. But I'm just trying to figure out how to edit all that stuff right now, man. But anyway, man, quick video. Hope you guys having a great day. It's Sunday, man. If you into the religion, if you into church and all that stuff, man, stay blessed. Hit me up, man. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It's gonna be a crazy amount of content. Like I've told you guys, I'm recording everything, man. I'm talking about vlogs, I'm talking about informational videos. I got about 5 websites that I run, so I'm gonna show you guys all of that. I live in Vegas, so I do go out from time to time, so I'm gonna show you that. I got, you know, car shows that are happening over here all the time, so I'm gonna show you that. And man, we just gonna be cruising, going down, just doing whatever, man. But anything I do, man, if I feel decent enough, let me turn this one off. If it's decent enough for me to record, man, I'm gonna record it. And even if it's not, man, I'm probably gonna record it, I just won't post it. But you guys about to get a lot of stuff, man, so like, subscribe. You know, I don't care about sharing because I'm still nervous about that, but subscribe and like. Love you guys, man. Peace out. Mr. 300, peace.